ushindi wa party primaries ya chama ya DCP Ol Kalou constituency ambao walipata kura 12,957. Mheshimiwa Samin Kamau Ng'ombo.
DCP, kwanza ni kushukuru Mola kwa ushindi ambao ametupatia leo. Haikuwa rahisi. We started this journey after the demise of the sitting MP David Kiaraho. We started this journey alongside my friend and my PA Karori, my driver Moas, and a borrowed car from my cousin. So it was a humble beginning. To start with, we had no funds. But one thing I'll tell you guys is that I've received enormous love and contribution, especially from people that we are with in DCP. 2022, I faced Honorable Kiaraho. I lost. Kasongo lied to me that he'll give me a job. I waited for more than a year waiting. He's a liar. Kasongo ni muongo, si muongo. Rigathi was kind enough. His Excellency, the People's Deputy President, gave me a job as a political advisor. A job that I served for 8 months. Before you were hounded out unceremoniously. When the party DCP was formed, I was given the honor to serve as the coordinator of Nyandarua, working under Hezron, my boss. This is my deputy party leader. Wanaweza waambia mimi kijana mnyenyekevu, mbaya ajibizani, akiambiwa ni hivi, me I told the line. Lakini Kasongo, nikifika pande ya Kasongo na muonesha ni one time from the bottom of my heart, and give you this assurance that I will deliver the seat of Ol Kalou on a DCP ticket.